Hey friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can improve your audio in 5 minutes using budget mic in Final Cut Pro X from this to this, enhancing your professionalism through having a great sounding, neat voice. In 5 minutes today you will learn how to enhance your audio without spending so much fortune on it. Thank you so much for likes, views and comments on my last video about how from a subway worker I became a web developer. The link will be in the description and intro, and let's get started. Here's my sound. I've recorded it on a budget shotgun microphone, Rode Video Mic Go. It's very sensitive, small microphone, and as you probably heard, it picks loads of noises, hisses, but once you master those techniques that I will present you, then you are pretty good to go. First, I will detach my audio from the video clip. Choose the video clip, just drag and drop here on the timeline. Right click on the particular you want to choose the video. Click on that, right click and click on the detach audio. Before we begin and I will start counting, make sure that you have at least good headphones or static audio monitors like KRK monitors. We separate our audio, we can start processing our voice. So we need to find compressor. And in order to find the compressor, hit the command 5 on your keyboard. If you don't have this window, or just look for two boxes, okay, on the right side, two boxes, FX browser. So, and then just scroll down until you see the audio tab, and the compressor is inside the levels tab, okay? So find the compressor, here it is, and just drag and drop compressor on your audio clip. And for those who don't know, compression is the method of decreasing the dynamic range between the loudest and quietest parts of an audio signal. It will blend our low voice parts and louder parts on the same sound level. Very, very important. And in order to open our compressor, we need to scroll down, find the compressor, click on this little icon, and here we are. Okay, that's our compressor. Okay, so the settings for the compression. Set the threshold between 5 dB and 20 dB. Set the ratio between 1.5 and 3.1. Set the attack at 0.5 ms or 1 ms. And set the release between 5 ms and 15 ms, or set it auto. And because this would take much more longer and we have only 5 minutes, please let me know in the comment section that maybe would you like see another video only about the compressor, or just say hi. Platinum Digital, Studio VCA, Studio FET are built-in compressors, so they sound different, and feel free to test it and see how your voice sounds. I prefer Platinum Digital, so click on that. Next, we need to find EQ, equalizer, and the EQ can be found in the EQ section here, and just look for a channel EQ. Take the channel EQ, drag and drop like compressor, and just scroll down and you will see same like small icon. Click on that, and then we have a channel EQ. The equalizer is a great tool to cut your unwanted voice frequencies that can potentially make your voice sound muffled. So first of all, let's just click on the tab that says Analyzer Post, and just play your video clip for a while. The bad news is everyone's voice is different, so you need to listen on your own. But the good is there are few rules that applies to almost same voice. First, remove the low frequencies. You need to click on that and move from 0 Hz to 100 Hz. And second, pick up any color except those two. Okay, low and high, so we don't need this for now. And for example, like green, okay, and raise it on 12 dB. Now go from left to right, focusing on these frequencies, and try to catch some bad frequencies that you know sound muffled, some clicks, some noises, hisses, pops, anything that you might think sounds bad. Okay, so I can hear. Okay. Yeah. Now, once you find the bad frequency, just move down the pointer to -6 or -12 dB, click on frequency once again and make it very thin. Not too thin, but not light enough, okay? You want to make very thin, but not too much, okay? And the same story applies to the frequencies that you like, that you think that makes your voice sounds better, except you need to raise it only up to 6 dB, and only when you are boosting frequencies, make them fatter, okay? Make them bigger. And why? Because when you are cutting frequencies, you want to minimize the area of cuts. You don't want to cut good frequencies, don't you? So when you are boosting, you want to maximize it. The third rule of EQ: a male voice can be found between 100 and 300 Hz, while the female voice can usually fall between 200 and 400 Hz. So, it will make your voice better. Basically, that's like I said before, like all voices are different, so you need to find on your own. And last rule of the EQ: don't boost too much, okay? Try to cut frequencies rather than boosting frequencies. Try to cut some frequencies. If you found this video interesting, just let me know. Like this video or give me a sub. It motivates me to post content more and more often. So this is how this sounds without EQ on it.
I'll show you how you can improve your audio in 5 minutes using budget mic in Final Cut Pro X, from this to this, enhancing your professionalism through having a great sounding, neat voice.
So you can hear the difference, but we can hear also loads of like background noise, hisses. So let's remove the background noise. Depending on the microphone you use, it might catch more or fewer background noises such as fan running or street noises, or even your neighbor running washing machine in another house. Fortunately, Apple gave us this great tool to remove background hisses. So let's open the audio filters once again and find noise removal. Okay, active the effect and slide it only up to 50%. And this is it. Last but not least thing to improve your audio in 5 minutes using Final Cut Pro X is to find the pan effect and click it on stereo left and right or create space. Okay. So this or this. And just set the amount on 10-15%. And this will give you quite a stereo good feel. And the last thing, let's find the limiter. Okay, it's in the levels audio, like compressor. Okay, just drag and drop limiter on your audio and set the gain on 1 dB or 3 dB depending on your signal audio. So what limiter does, it makes sure that your audio stays on that level. It doesn't make your audio clipped. So let's maybe 0, because my audio is already loud enough, I can hear. So I need just to trim the audio. Okay, here you can trim the audio. Like you can trim the sound of your audio, if this makes any sense. Okay, so let's make it maybe -3. So yeah, so here's the version without any effects.
Hey friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can improve your audio in 5 minutes using budget mic in Final.
And here's the version with effects on it.
Hey friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can improve your audio in 5 minutes using budget.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. Hit the subscribe button and just let me know if you liked or not. You liked my video. I hope it was enough professional you to understand me. And thank you so much. Have a great, fantastic day. Take care.